On this video, I'm going to show you a new unlimited crypto trading platform where you can make up to $1,000 in 1 week. And also, I'm going to show you how you can set up your account to achieve a perfect result. So before I proceed, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also, follow me on Twitter at simply_DMO. And as well, join my Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members, which you can find all the link on the video description below. The name of this platform is known as worldOTC, which you can also find the link on the video description below. Now, worldOTC is an arbitrage platform that enables you to perform arbitrage transactions without the use of bank card, and it is unlimited. Now, the full meaning of this worldOTC is simply world over the counter, which basically involves trading crypto assets between two parties in a closed market. This basically means that all transactions will be done on this system. And for you to know more about this worldOTC, you just got to come to this about section, then click on it, and you can see that according to the company that their services are suitable for transactions ranging from $10 to millions of dollars, covering varieties of fiat currencies. And this platform allows you to freely and easily trade crypto without worrying about complicated issues, and in return earn 3.5% on a daily basis. And one information to note is that all transactions complete in 3 hours, and in return you can make 8 transactions on a daily basis. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this update is what I saw about this platform. This YouTube channel on YouTube saw this update few weeks ago, then it took advantage of it and invested $50. Then without $50, he invested $8,000 on it again. Then now it's on $15,000 profit.
Over the last few days, my first investment was $50 just to test the platform and so on. And then the second investment that I did was $8,000. Right now I'm at $15,000. And actually by the end of this week, I'm going to withdraw my initial $8,000 so I can trade with that house's money, which is what I recommend you guys to do.
And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use $30 to test out this platform, and if it works, I'm going to put more money on it. So on that note, when you click on this rule icon from your dashboard, you'll be able to see how you'll be making money from this platform. And you can see that the minimum invest on this worldOTC is 10 USDT, which is $10, you understand? And with that $10, which is a 10 USDT, you'll be earning 4 cents at the first 3 hours and up to 32 cents at the end of the day, which is the 3.2% of your money. And you can see that with the $30 I'm about to use to trade on this platform, I'll be earning $1 approximately every single day. And by the end of the month, I'll be able to double my money. And you can see that with $100, you'll be making $3.2 every single day for 30 days, you understand? And you can see the last statement there that says if you invest $1,000 on this worldOTC platform, you can earn $4 every 3 hours and $32 every single day. And after 23 days, your principal capital, which is your capital plus your income, will be over $2,000, which means that within 23 days you'll be able to double your money. And this is a formula you can use to calculate your affiliate earnings profit. You can also download their mobile app from Play Store by just clicking on this icon that says download app. And when you click on it, you will see this option where you can download the app either from Play Store or directly from their website. And this platform has an easy to use interface. And when you click on this certification, you'll be able to see all the certificates approval from each country. You can see that the first license is from the US MSB that is given to company by the US Treasury Department. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see other certificates which you can also go through on your own personal time. Now, another cool thing about this platform is that when you click on this notice, you'll be able to see that each user first deposit amount that exceeds 50 USDT can enjoy 5% discount on the deposit amount. And for you to confirm customer service, you just got to click on this customer service icon. Then automatically it will take you to Telegram, where you'll be able to communicate with the customer service directly. But aside that, you can make 200% of your capital in 23 days by just using this platform. But you need to know that I'm not the owner of this platform and I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. And when you come to Trustpilot, upon the 12th review, you can see that 59% of them are excellent. And you can see that the first one says, you just made my first $200 from this, you can take the risk just as I did. And when you scroll down, you can see the second one that says, just made my first withdrawal of $1,200 this morning after 23 days. With autopilot, that is when you get your full 3.2% daily income. If I see any sign of rug or pulling out, I won't hesitate to come here. And just as you can see, the next one say that this is another beginning. Join now, make your profit within 22 days, withdraw your capital and start trading with your profit. That is the logic, and this is the real point, you understand? And remember, all decision of you using this platform should come from you alone, because I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just doing my research properly, then show you what works for me, you understand? Now, the first thing to do is to click the link below to get started. And when you click the link below, it will take you to this section where you just have to make sure it is on English. Then you input your mobile number, and before you input your mobile number, make sure you select your country code. Mine is Nigeria, so I just got to put +234, then press confirm, you understand? Then after that, I input my mobile number. Then I'm going to click on this icon that says send verification code, and when you click on it, they are going to send a verification code to your mobile number, you understand? Then you just got to input it and click on next step. Then with that, your account will be created successfully. So the next thing to do is to come to your mine section. Then on your mine section, you just got to click on personal information. Then on your personal information section, you just got to modify your username. Then you modify your withdrawal address, which is your TRC20 USDT address, and this is the option. You can also modify your login password. So after the personal information, you just got to come back, then click on security center. Then by clicking it will take you to this section whereby you have to bind your Google Authenticator to your account, and for you to do that, you just got to copy this key, then paste it on your Google Authenticator, and with that, your account will be bound. And for you to unbound your account from Google Authenticator, maybe you lost your phone, you just got to click on this icon that says send OTP, then you just got to click on unbind. So the next thing to do is identification authenticator. So you just got to scroll down, then click on identity authentication. Then when you click on it, you just have to verify your account, and you can see that my account is under review, so I just got to wait for some minutes for it to be approved. And after doing that, your account is set and it is ready to go. So for you to deposit on this platform, you just have to click on this mine section. Then on this mine section, it will take you to your dashboard. Then you just got to click on recharge, and automatically it will take you to this section whereby you just have to copy this address or scan this code. Then you send USDT, which is a minimum of 10 USDT to this particular address. And for you to copy your address, you just got to click on this icon that says copy, and automatically your wallet address has been copied. So you just have to come to any of your exchange at all, then send USDT with a minimum of 10 to this particular address you copied. And after sending the USDT, you just got to go back to your account, and within few minutes your deposit will be successful. And when you click on recharge record, you'll be able to see your deposit recharge history. Now the next thing to do after a successful deposit is to come to this transaction all, and when you click on transaction all, it will take you to the transaction section whereby all transaction is made. And just as you can see, if you have any transaction, it will show on this in the transaction section. Then after the period of time, it will reflect back to this wallet section, and below it is a section for you to input the amount at which you want to use to trade. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on all, and the entire wallet will reflect on this price section. Then you just got to look closely and click on start filtering, and automatically you just got to wait for some minutes. You can see that the transaction is successful, so you just got to click on start trading and wait for it to load up, and you can see that everything is successfully done. So you just got to click on confirm, and with that you'll be able to see that all my wallet balance is now on the in transaction balance. So you can see that at the end of the first 3 hours, I'm going to get 12 cents, you understand? And when I scroll down, you can see that the time left for this transaction to complete is 2 hours 58 minutes and 19 seconds, you understand? So that is just basically how to transact on this platform. For me to show you a live withdrawal from this platform, you can see that I've already used my 30 USDT to make transaction on this platform. So with that, I'm going to deposit extra $10 to show you how the withdrawal is done. So now I've successfully deposited my account, so I just got to scroll up, then refresh this page. I just got to wait for some minutes. And you can see that my $30 is now $40 as total assets. This means that when I come to transaction all, you can see that I still have $10 on my wallet and $30 on transaction, you understand? So for you to make a withdrawal, you just got to come to this your mine section, and on your mine section, you just got to look closely, then click on withdraw funds, and it will take you to this section whereby you just got to input the amount at which you want to withdraw. So by the time I input 10 USDT, you can see that they are going to take 3% transaction fee, you understand? Which means I'm going to be credited 9.70 USDT. So I just got to input my Google Authenticator code. Then after that, make sure that your USDT TRC20 address is already bound to this account. Then you just got to click on submit. Then I just got to wait for it to load up, and you can see that it is successful. You can see that my balance is now 30 USDT, which is from this my transaction all, you understand. And you can see that the deposit is successful about 3 minutes ago, you understand. This means that the withdrawal is swift and it is fast. And after some days, I'm still going to deposit more on this platform and continue trading. And also, I'm still going to let you know when I get any information on this platform. So that is just basically how this platform works. So if you enjoy this content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also write me on Twitter with your question where you get reply instantly. And as well, use the comment section for your compliments and questions, and let me know if you are going to use this platform and what you think about this platform. As you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.